Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger video call minimize issue on your Android phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your device settings on your Android phone. This is where you can control all the important permissions and app behaviors that affect how Messenger works on your device. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and click on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your phone and allows you to manage their individual settings and permissions. Now you'll need to find Messenger in your list of apps and click on it. This will take you to the specific settings page for the Messenger application, where you can adjust various features and permissions that control how the app functions. After opening the Messenger app settings, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. This area contains more technical settings that aren't typically accessed in everyday use, but they're crucial for fixing issues like the video call minimize problem. Inside the Advanced section, look for an option called Display over other apps and click on it. This permission is essential because it allows Messenger to create floating windows and overlays while you're using other applications, which is exactly what you need for video calls to work properly when minimized. Once you click on Display over other apps, you'll see an option that says Allow display over other apps. This is the key setting that controls whether Messenger can appear on top of other apps on your screen. Right beside this option, there's a toggle button that you'll need to interact with. Click on the toggle button to turn it on. By enabling this permission, you're giving Messenger the ability to maintain video calls in a small window while you navigate to other apps or your home screen. This is what fixes the minimize issue you've been experiencing. And that's it. Your problem is now fixed and you can minimize video calls in Messenger without any issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.